Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be comparing Better Auth versus Auth.js and see if which authentication tool should you use in 2025. So let's get started. So let's first start with the Better Auth. So its key features is that it has next-gen authentication framework built for modern web applications. Supports OAuth, SSO, JWT, magic links, and passkeys. It also has the built-in multi-tenant support, and it's framework agnostic with SDKs for next.js, Reacts, and more. Now for the pros is that it is extremely developer friendly, fast integration across platforms, modern UI or UX out of the box, and lastly, its great security defaults with passkey, FIDO2 support or FIDO2 support. Now for its cons is that it has newer and lesser widely adopted, smaller community and fewer tutorials, and lastly is that some enterprise features behind a paywall. Now let's move forward with the auth.js. So its key features is that open source authentication for next.js applications, supports OAuth providers like Google, GitHub, and etc. It also has a built-in support for JWT, sessions, and database adapters. And lastly is customizable login flows and callbacks. For its pros is that mature and widely adopted in the Next.js ecosystem, extensive documentation and community plugins, secure session handling, and easily extendable with custom logic. For its cons, it is mostly tied with Next.js, not framework agnostic, complex setup for advanced features, and it lacks built-in UI components that you must build your own. Now, for a quick summary, you can use Better Auth if you want a future-ready framework agnostic auth system. If you're using modern tech like React, Vue, or Svelte, and if you care about passkey support and passwordless login. And lastly, you can use Better Auth if you're building multi-tenant SaaS applications. And you can use auth.js or next.auth if you're building a next.js based application. If you need quick integration with popular OAuth providers, and if you want full control over callbacks and sessions handling, and lastly is if you prefer a stable and widely used open source tools. So that's it for our comparison. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!